Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can log elements or items in your flowcharts and diagrams on Lucidchart, especially their position. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your flowchart or diagram on Lucidchart, and all you need to do, guys, is right click into the given element, be it a shape or a rectangle or a text box, and from that menu here, hover your mouse over lock and unlock and select lock size and position, or you may lock basically everything related to that element, including the content, the style. And after that you will see that box here indicating that the given element has been locked. So as you can see, I can't move it, I can't rotate it and do anything with it. However, I can add or create these connectors. That's an exception, as you can see here, because these connectors resemble or are basically or represent basically a new item or element, so you can add them to your locked element. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.